Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Xentrall MyHR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Xentrall MyHR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in xentrall.org.uk and make a search. The official page of Xentrall MyHR's account will appear on the screen. Tap on MyHR option. On the next page, enter your employee ID and password associated with your Xentrall MyHR's account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgotten My Password option. This is how you can log into your Xentrall MyHR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.